Hey folks, Kurt and Kintner here with My Win Stuff and Premier Kites Designs. 3 brand new items just come out. These are the American flag triple spinner. It actually has the flag on the back instead of just the pennant. We've got the thin red line representing our fire and rescue. We have our thin blue line representing our law enforcement. So this will be a quick assembly video on how to put one of these together. The instructions will follow through on all 3 of these. So thin blue line, this will be item number 22178. Thin red line, item number 22177. And the American flag, item number 22179. These are going to retail on the website for $38.50. So here we go, we're going to put one of these together. I've already taken one out of the package. So you're going to take this portion, put this through the sleeve. Now if you notice, this is tapered. So make sure that taper, if there's more on one side than the other, that it's pointed upwards. So when we do this, it'll slide in there nicely. Take your support pole, run it through the bottom. All right, you'll feel that tug as there's a little dimple right here that will pierce the fiberglass. That's what holds that on nice and tight. So here's the hard part. Take your wheel, the big one first, slide it on. This little C-clip here can be the dickens to put on. So we like to take that, put it against something hard, and give that a little wiggle and a push. Then you can slide it on. You're going to do the same with the next wheel. You can't put these wheels on backwards. They're already manufactured, so they spin the right way. Take that C-clip again, put it against something hard, give that a little push. This is a lot easier than trying to beat them on. Put that on. Third C-clip. Give that a push. And then the final assembly is this acorn nut. Same thing. Put it against something hard. Give it a push. So these will come with 2 support poles, so you can make them short or tall. And they'll be your ground mount in the package as well. So you put that ground mount in the ground. If you put that in nice and straight, everything will be nice and straight and level. So there it is, 22179. The triple spinner patriotic flag, $38.50 at premierkites.com. Go to our Facebook at My Win Stuff. You can sure contact us by phone at 785-483-1309.